Hey, Whoop.
Are you gonna bring a cigarette with you?
Yeah.
Come on, you guys.
It's too Whoopy. Oh, boy. You having fun in the snow, boy? Look at you. Look at Niele, girl. She's covered in snow.
Niele, you having fun? You having fun, babe? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You okay, babe?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we'll go home.
You ready?
Oh. Did you have good snow? Fun in your butt?
Look, her arms are all snowed.
Oh, look at her. She's covered.
We gotta take her back.
Maxxi boy, let's go.
Ready? Oh my God.
I know she's covered in it. She's like matted with it. It'll come off.
No, I'm gonna carry her to go. Or should we just let her walk?
Hey, big boy. What you doing, old boy, huh? Ola bola. What you doing, babes? Huh? Hey, good boy. Alright, we're gonna go home. Say bye. You wanna go home? And go in the house?